So hungry. Yes! Wow! A lot of snacks! Let's choose one, huh?
Welcome to the vending machine.
Huh? Hi!
Welcome to the vending machine.
Let's choose a snack. Huh? No Oreos inside?
You need going to buy snack. You need going to buy snack.
Oh, okay. Now I have coins. Hey, vending machine, I have coins now.
Insert coin and choose snack. Insert coin and choose snack.
Let's get more snacks. I need more coins. Huh? I have no more coins. Huh? No snacks?
We only accept coins. We only accept coins.
Huh? Really? Then give me my money back.
We only accept coins. We only accept coins. You need coin for snack. You need coin for snack.
Huh?
You need coin for snack. 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 You need coin for snack.
Vending machine, no.
Jenny.
Huh? Uncle Mike?
Yeah, you finished your homework?
Yeah, Uncle Mike. Here we go.
Let me check.
Ooh, it's just a nightmare, guys.
Good job, Jenny. Are you hungry?
Yeah, Uncle Mike.
Let's go buy some snack.
Okay. Uncle Mike, the vending machine is so scary.
It's just a vending machine, Jenny. Here you go, Jenny. Eat it.
Yeah, it's just a vending machine.
It's good, Jenny?
Yeah.
Bye.